In this video, we're going to show you how to use coins on Aliexpress. First, open your Aliexpress app and tap on the Account button in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Once you're there, tap on Payments and Discounts, where you'll find the option for coins. Tap on Coins and sign into your account or sign up to collect coins. By performing daily check-ins, you can accumulate additional coins. For example, if you tap on Collect, you'll receive extra coins. Currently, I have 70 coins in my account. Now, let's explore how to use these coins when making purchases on Aliexpress. When browsing products, you'll notice that you can save up to 20%, 15%, or 10% off, depending on the product. Sadly, you can only pay part of the product price with coins. For instance, if you select a product, you might see extra 12% off with coins in the price details. To earn more coins, navigate to the Earn More Coins section. You can earn coins by daily checking in, exploring sponsored items, browsing limited offers, exploring choice offers, using the discount finder, and checking out popular stores. That's the basic process for using coins on Aliexpress. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel.